Welcome class to Meganomics 101, how to make your eyebrow hair not as long tutorial. I'm Megan and these are the tools that we're going to be using. So let's get started because class is in session. First thing we do is we take our spoolie brush and with a little bit of force, get those hairs up, get them up and above the line of your eyebrow. And all of that excess hair, I take my scissors and I cut into it. I do not cut in one swipe. I want to see where I'm going. I want to make sure I'm not cutting too far into the eyebrow line. And less is more. You can always go back and cut more afterwards. And I cut it into the shape, to the natural shape first. If there's certain eyebrow problems, like your eyebrow is growing up, your highest point is here, you're going to want to sliver off a little triangle in the front to bring it down. To balance, you want this part to be the highest part of your eyebrow. So I brush the hair up and I cut it in a diagonal line, but I snip. So I do something called the sweater test. When I take off my sweater, the eyebrow hairs go up. When I put my sweater on, the eyebrow hairs go down. So when I put my sweater on and the eyebrow hairs go down, I'm going to do the same thing that I did when I brushed them up. I'm going to brush them down, and any excess hair I'm going to cut off. One by one, essentially. Very slow, conservative movements. And that's how you make your eyebrow hair not as long. For more information on all things eyebrows, visit Meganomics101.com. Class dismissed.